You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Hey guys, welcome to the Cooking with Jack show. We're going to do an experiment today. A couple years back we did a video called Yeti or Not. We took the $40 Yeti and the $8 Walmart mug for like a tumbler of coffee and all that. We put the two together and Walmart beat Yeti. So I was walking by and I saw this. Now I had paid $40 for this one off of TikTok. This brand is all over the place, probably because my algorithm is showing it to me. This is a really good brand, spill proof, all that. This one here is from Walmart and it's only $20, half the price of this. This feels good, feels solid. This feels real good, feels solid also. They both have bases that fit in your car. So what we're going to do is test them out against each other. Alright, so the Walmart one's over here. We have 20 ice cubes, 20 ice cubes. 3 cups of water, 3 cups of water. Both waters are from the refrigerator, filtered, cold. Everything's identical. So let's load it up. 3 cups of water. Beautiful. Okay. 3 cups of water. Wow. They both are at the same level. Right here. Right here. Okay. Then we'll put the lids on and we'll periodically check once an hour to see when the ice is gone. Okay? So let's get the caps on. Alright, they're both fully loaded, so let's leave them. We will not painfully show you the entire process. We'll check, we'll give you updates, and basically, first one to lose its ice is the loser. Dun 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 dun. Alright guys, 6 hours later, 8:40 at night. What are we looking at right now?
This is the YouTube, or the...
Okay, there is 0 ice cubes left in this one.
That's the TikTok one, right?
That's the TikTok one. Yep. This has got ice still. It still has ice. Oh my gosh. Wow, Walmart wins again. You're a loser. You're a loser. So Walmart's brand is called what? What is it? Ozark Trail?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, Ozark Trail. That's the Walmart brand. And this one was half the price of this one. This one, they're both cold, but this one still has ice. So we have a winner. Congratulations to Walmart.